guys, surprise! My mic wasn't working, so this gets to be a voiceover. All I'm really saying here is I hope you guys like this sparkly makeup tutorial, and also I zoomed out so you guys could see more of my surroundings and my backdrop. Let me know if you guys like that in the comments below, and let's jump into this tutorial. So first we are going to go in and moisturize, and once we are done moisturizing, we are just going to go in and prime with the Amazing Cosmetics primer. And then once we have that on our face, we're going to go in with our foundation, put that on, and blend it out with a damp beauty blender. And then we're going to be going in with ColourPop's concealer, and we are just going to put this where we normally conceal, and then we're going to blend that out with our damp beauty blender as well. And then taking a translucent powder, we are just going to set underneath the eye, and then once we have done that, we're just going to take whatever is left on the brush and put it all over our face. And then we're going to go in with the Sigma eyeshadow base primer in Ignite and prime our eyes. I absolutely love this primer, guys. If you guys would like to try one, I do have a code. I will link it down below in the description. But once we have that on, we are going to blend it out with the Beauty Blender and then lightly set it. And then we're going to go in with the Dream Street palette from ColourPop. This was the collab with Kathleen Lights. We're going to go in with the color Shooting Star, and we are just going to blend this into our crease, and we're going to actually blend a little bit higher than we usually do. And then just make sure we really blend the edges of this crease out. We really want it to look very airbrushed. Then once we are done with blending that out, we're going to take the shade Moony, and we're just going to highlight underneath our brow and blend that down into the Shooting Star color. And then we're going to mix Potion and Elfish, and we are going to take a smaller blending brush and pop this into the crease, but focusing it more closer to the lid. And then taking a mix of Shooting Star and a Potion, and we are going to blend this underneath our eye and smoke it out a bit. Then we're going to be taking this Stila's Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and we are going to put it on a separate brush so I can really control where the actual glitter goes. And we are just going to put this on to the lid. Then we're going to go back in with Elfish and darken out the corner edge of our eyes just to give it a little bit more dimension. And then going in with Bahama Mama, this is a bronzer by The Balm. We are just going to go in and contour / bronze up this face. We're going to focus this underneath our cheekbones and around the perimeter of our face and just a tad bit on the nose. I'm living a whole low life. I'm living a whole low life. And then taking ColourPop's blush in Cheerio, I am just going to lightly dab my finger into this blush and then blend this out onto the cheeks of the face. And then taking one of my favorite highlighters, this is ColourPop's Flexitarian, and I absolutely love it. I really think it's one of the best highlighters out there if you really like that like crazy glow. I'm just going to be applying this with my finger because I feel like that's the best way to apply it to get the most impact. We are going to put this right on top of our cheekbones, by our temples, on our cupid's bow, and our nose. And then we're going to move on to brows. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and we are going to really carve out our brows, especially the tail, and then we're just going to lightly fill the rest of the brow in. then using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, which is one of my favorite eyeliners by far. It's very, very comparable to the Kat Von D liner. We are going to wing out this eye look. I wanted to keep it like a medium wing because the lashes that we're putting on today are super fluffy and very wispy, and I wanted to keep that harshness off of the eye. So we did a medium wing instead of a huge wing today. And then once we are done with that, we are just going to do mascara and add our lashes. These are the Ardell Double 113s, and they are gorgeous. And then we are just going to tightline with a nude pencil, and then I'm going to line my lips with the Collab lip liner in Burnt Up. And then I'm just going to smudge it out just a little bit before going in with the liquid lipstick by ColourPop. This is the Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in Growing Pains. And then we're going to go in with Smashbox Gloss Angels. This is a clear gloss. It's probably one of the best I've ever used, and I really think this really sets off this makeup tutorial, guys. Look how glossy and just full my lips look. I love it so much. But anyway, guys, that is it for this tutorial. Here I am again, talking, but you don't know what I'm saying, blah, blah, blah. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah! Yeah.